Is Captain America stronger than Superman?
I don't care.
That's all I want to know. Who's stronger? Captain America or Superman?
I know who's stronger. I don't care.
They call me Pounds, here I'm known as 9'7". 8 customs create, plus I rhyme great.
YouTube, welcome back to another 978 Customs video. And right now we got the Black Panther with the vibranium lit up all over his suit. And basically what we're doing today is removing all of that pink deco just to begin a custom on this figure here. But first we have to remove all that paint. That's pretty much step one when it comes to customizing. Take off the original paint, then take off the body parts, then sand some joints, followed by some sculpt, then some paint. But this is what I use normally, some nail polish remover. It's 100% acetone, works really well, and I have to use Q-tips. But make sure you get Q-tips, the name brand Q-tips. Don't get the generic ones. They don't work as well as Q-tips. Believe me, I know it sounds ridiculous. A Q-tip is a Q-tip, but the brand Q-tips are more durable. They absorb more acetone and they last longer. So now all you really need is a little bit of acetone in the cap. I'd fill it up maybe about a little bit less than halfway, just because I don't want to waste too much acetone or pour too much in the cap and let it spill, because it really eats at any paint it drips on. So be very careful with acetone. Try not to get it in your eye. Wear some gloves. You don't want to get it on your hands or anything. It really absorbs really fast and dries really fast. But you take your little figure wherever the paint is, right? You just dip your Q-tip once. Don't drip it. Don't like oversaturate it. Just one dip, and you swipe really fast. The goal is to swipe it fast and try not to swipe it a million times with the same side of the Q-tip, because then you're just going to spread the paint. So with one side, really quick swipe again, and then try to turn the Q-tip and rotate it the more you swipe, so that way you'll use the entire Q-tip and remove this paint. Some paint can be a little harder to take off depending on where it is on the body. The hands and the feet are pretty easy, and it also depends on the thickness of the paint. For the most part, these hands, the paint on it is really thin, so 1 or 2 quick swipes removes this paint pretty easy. And you guys can see that I'm not even really trying hard. The reason why it looks like I'm struggling is because the hands have wrinkles and ridges, so it's kind of hard to get a clean swipe. You got to make sure you're getting through the cracks. But it is that simple. It is as easy as it looks. Just swipe a Q-tip full of acetone onto your painted figure, and your paint should come off. Now this chest may be a little more difficult. It looks a lot thicker on the chest, so I'm worried that the more acetone I apply on this chest, the more it's going to eat away at that plastic. So you got to be really careful when you're putting acetone on the chest, because then it goes through the cracks, through the ab crunch and the waist swivel, and you don't want that, because it seriously eat away at that. I'll do this last hand just to get it out the way. Hopefully I can get it in front of the viewfinder so you don't miss anything. 1 swipe, 2 swipes. No, I'm not going to count them. But it is really easy to get this pink paint off the hands. I'm actually pretty surprised on how easy it was. It saves me the trouble of having to paint over the pink. Let's say I decided to paint over this figure without removing the original deco. Chances are that because of how thick that pink is, it may still show up under the coat of paint that I put over it. So I just want to remove it and see what it looks like. Now after removing it, it does look like it's pretty thick. You can see that even after the paint is gone, the deco lines are still there, almost to a point where it looks sculpted. So that paint is really thick, and it wasn't easy to swipe off. I was there just like swiping, and it was worrying me. And I can show you really quick. You see, I'm even taking off some of the black paint or the black plastic at that. So you got to be really careful when you're doing this. You don't want too much acetone on your Q-tip. You will eat at the figure. But don't worry, because if it does eat away, you can always sand down what's choppy and jagged and make it smooth again. I'm going to have to focus a little more on this body here, so I'm going to play a song while I do this.
Now wait a minute, hater, why you always come round watching somebody video only to give a thumb down on YouTube? Top of the morning until the sundown, trolling every account. I notice there's always one clown. Look, I just want to make videos for the viewers. I know I'm not the coolest or slightly even the cutest, but if you do view this, I promise to be the truest reviewer and customizer while adding some smooth music. You choose it. This future foundation is built big time from the viewer conversations. New creations, channel collaborations, how-tos and tutorials, working with no vacations. Just check the notification and watch for the new vid and be the first to write first. Who won? You did. I'm just telling the new kids how we do in this community. Unity proves this. We are all now connected like brothers and street neighbors. From old men to teens, together we screen ages, taking inspiration straight from the comic B pages. See Pound take notes, cause everything he see major.
One thing I want to warn you about is when you're swiping, try not to linger, like, how do I explain this? When you're swiping, try not to leave your Q-tip on the figure once the acetone dries, because then you'll pull the fibers away from the Q-tip and they'll stick on your figure. And you don't want white long fibers hanging from your figure once the acetone dries. The paint is all gone. Now steps after this would be probably taking the figure apart and then adding sculpt if that's what you were going to do. But for me, you see what I have on the right side. This most likely is going to be an Agent Venom. I didn't like the body it's on, so I'm going to make my own Agent Venom and put him to my collection. I may use a different head. This is just for reference. But that is how you take off deco and paint from your factory figures. So if you like this video and you want to see more customs or more how-tos, where-tos, feel free to like this video, comment down below any questions you might have, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Feel free to share this video around to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all.